Kabir's path is the path of Advaita Vedanta. Yes, and on the path of Advaita Vedanta, it is only recognizing the witness consciousness. And we did it already. It is just a one-step process. You do not have to go to any mandir. You do not have to go for 100 days of meditating on the Himalayas. No, in 1 second. Ik pal ki talash mein. The witness is already there. It's not so tough. Yeah. It is different if your mind wants it to be a tougher journey, then it's going to be tough for you. There is no other option. Yeah, your mind says that how can it be so easy? How can I get there in a second? Okay, so be it. Advaita will wait for you. No problem. Advaita is not going anywhere. Yeah, you go play in the world, do all your jap tap, do everything, and when you realize this is really not working, this comes back again and again and again and again. I fall on my face again and again and again and again. There has to be something more that I'm missing. Then you can come back to Advaita. Yeah? But really, if you have the firm conviction that it is not easily attainable and I have to make an effort, please do that. Run for 5 years. It's okay. 5 years is not a big time loss. Run, please run. Yeah, in every which way. This meditation, that meditation, this satsang, that bhajan, that God, this religion, that religion, whatever appeals to you, it is all fine, all perfect. Go, run, please run. Why? Because only after running can you realize that running does not get me there. Otherwise, you're not going to realize. Yes? This particular session is for those people who've already wasted their 5, 10, 15, 20 years running and now realized, oh my God, it was so simple. What have I been doing? This session is for those. Not for the people who have not run enough yet. No. Okay? So I don't know where you are. Only you can recognize where you are. You go within and recognize, are you the first type or the second type? And do appropriately. ठीक है?